Hi guys, this is AnyHowToVideo and we're just going to be doing a short tutorial of how to replace the black back fan. Sorry if that's a bit bright for you, but I'm going to be replacing it with this Sickle Flow 120 blue LED fan, what I had spare. I've got my phone here with the torch on so I can see what I'm doing, and I've got my electric screwdriver. I shouldn't need anything else, but yeah. First off, what I'm going to do is I need to put down this somewhere. I'll just try and put it down here. I'm going to take apart this here, so let's get into this somehow. So we've got the fan, so there, not good at spinning it, but there we are. That's the fan, simple 3-pin connector. There, I don't know if you can see that, I can't really see the screen from this angle. Put that there. We've got the 4 screws, what go in the back, and we've got our Molex connectors for the fan, which I'm probably going to use as my last ones are mostly broken, so I'm just going to untie these so I don't need to tie them later. There we go, that should be it. So yeah, screws, put them on the case. Right, first off, what we are going to do, we are actually just get my hand in the socket thing. I'm going to unplug the fan, so here's the main fan, and the wire goes behind my graphics card and my sound card and my wireless card. Just follow it around. I'm going to unplug it from here. So because I've chosen to route it behind these PCI cards, I need to take these out. So my case got a built-in thingy, I don't even know what it's called, so I'm just gonna take these out. There we go. Right, I need to put down the camera. Try to leave it on the tripod, and there we go. Okay, so now we've taken out all the PCI cards, I can now get to this wire here, and I'm just going to wrap that around here. So now we're clear to take off the back fan. So I'm just going to go around the back here, locate the 4 screw holes, so one here, sorry about that, one here, and one here. Just going to turn off this light. There. So I'm going to unscrew these. Let me just put down the camera. Okay, so make sure you keep a hold of it so it doesn't fall down. I'm just going to move this back here. So you can just, as you can see, it just pulls straight off. I'm going to put that to a side. That's all I can. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see where to install it. So I've got the wire coming out of this corner here. So again, I'm going to put it underneath my PCI ports. If I can get the wire unbent. Just match it up with the screws, see that it fits. Okay, so that wire will fit in there. I just need to unclip it. Okay, so I'm gonna have it like that. So this wire is gonna face to my bottom right, or to my bottom left if you're looking from the other side. So once again, we're gonna go around the back, and I'm going to place you down on somewhere. And again, making sure where the wire is. Make sure that the grill, if you like, of the fan where the wire's coming is outwards towards your inner of the case. So we're just gonna put this in there, match up all the screw holes. There we go. And I'm going to use the same screw as what my last one just came out. So I'm just going to simply put these in. Probably not going to go in. So for this part, it's probably going to be best to get a Phillips screwdriver or a plus head, whatever you want to call it. Hi guys, I've got the fan installed. It was self-digging screws, so it took a little bit more effort than normal. Some I didn't even properly get in, like this one down here, which I'll probably come back to. It's just getting late, so I can't really mess around with it. But yeah, I'm going to hit the on switch and then put it up in the BIOS. It probably won't make any difference. Yeah, just press the on button. I'd hope if I turn on the power box. So my BIOS decided not to load, but oh well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Shall I just try turning out the lights? Don't know if you can see that that well, but this is the fan, mostly in the dark. It's a kind of weird angle to get in on, but yeah, it's quite a nice fan. Packs quite a breeze, and should help. I know it's the exhaust fan, but it also is quite cold on both sides. Yeah. please comment, rate, subscribe. Anything I've done wrong, can you also tell me? There'll be more videos like this in the future. This is Killer Tom, well, AnyHowToVideos, sorry, out.